Did you know that keeping the stormwater drains clear in your neighborhood can help prevent flooding? Pierce County Public Works and Utilities is hosting 3 free workshops to teach homeowners how to prepare for the rainy season. Joining me today is Travis Nelson. He is with Pierce County Public Works and Utilities Surface Water Management. Travis, tell me about these workshops.
Well, these workshops are intended for homeowners or citizens that are interested in maintaining their stormwater systems in their neighborhoods, and ultimately it'll teach folks how to avoid having additional flooding risks. If those drains get plugged, they do create some risk for flooding. In addition to that, we're actually going to have a feature on how to best manage your homeowners associations or reestablish ones that have dissolved.
So then who should be coming to these workshops?
The intended audience is really folks who live within a homeowners association or interested citizens that want to take care of the stormwater system and improve water quality in Pierce County.
Okay. Now, I know that it's been dry, not a lot of rain, and people might not be thinking about this kind of thing, but why should people care about this?
One of the things we oftentimes forget about is when the fall comes, the leaves fall and hit those drains. They plug up the drains and the rain comes in October and they flood out your neighborhood. And so one thing that really would capture folks' attention is that if their road system starts to fall apart because the ground's saturated, one of many things you'd want to do is avoid having to resurface your road system in your neighborhood. So one of many things would be, making sure you don't have the flooding issues. Another thing is you have some liability and some ownership to that asset for your community if it actually creates any problems for your neighbors outside your community.
And I understand that we're doing pretty good here in Pierce County in regards to that.
That's right. About 90% of the stream systems that receive these waters from these surface water areas are improving from what they were before we started doing the workshops.
Okay, now what if people do want to come to the workshops? What should they do?
They should give us a call at 253-798-2460 or check out our website. We're actually going to send out some postcards as a reminder as well.
All right, well, thank you so much for coming in today.
Thanks.